Banks and other financial institutions have to be customer-centric whilst maintaining efficient operations, since they have to deliver excellent customer service through multiple channels. Provide real-time liquidity management. Reduce the cost per transaction and operations. Meet mandated regulatory compliance. Expand footprint. Let's focus on some of today's challenges. Some typical challenges that a corporate relationship manager of a bank needs to address include: a bank can offer more services to their corporate with a cross-border presence by centralizing payments through the SAP payment engine. The corporate is offered one single entry point no matter where and how it wants to do payments. All it has to do is to submit a single file to its bank, where the SAP payment engine is installed. Having the possibility to process these payments through one system gives the bank options for cost reduction, and even a better status monitoring is possible. The real-time functionality of SAP Payment Engine helps banks offer their customers the ability to control cash anytime, anywhere, and benefit from a financial supply chain relationship with the bank. Payment orders can be delivered through multiple input channels and processed synchronously with an immediate return message to the sending system with different priorities. A corporate can easily make payments using a single account via a single bank to better reconcile with its accounting system. Banks can thrive on additional float income generated out of single debit and multiple credits transaction processing. Financial institutions can process electronic payments with the highest level of straight-through processing, efficiency, and customer differentiation, locally and globally. New revenue is generated and customer service is improved. The powerful, rule-based processing engine gives financial institutions more flexibility to tailor processing workflows for maximum straight-through processing. Banks as well as corporates benefit from reduced cost per transaction owing to minimized manual intervention during transaction processing. A typical problem faced by a corporate banking customer based out of London providing services in other countries would be managing bill collections. It would mean having to maintain various accounts in different countries, managing forex transactions, as well as the operational challenges and costs of using different mechanisms for debiting customers in different countries. Now, with a payment instrument like SEPA Direct Debit and SWIFT payment orders, life gets easy since it allows consumers and companies to make cross-border direct debit payments and send payment instructions throughout the SEPA countries and globally using SWIFT, eliminating multiple accounts and bank tie-ups in different countries. For debtors, the benefits would be simple means of paying bills throughout 32 SEPA countries, no questions asked, fast and simple refund procedure. For creditors, the gains include collection of domestic and cross-border direct debits across 32 countries, payment completion within a predetermined time cycle, straightforward reconciliation of payments received. By significantly increasing the straight-through processing capability of payments, the bank reduces the need for manual intervention. This minimizes the number of manual errors and eliminates the need to increase staff with growing business. Therefore, the cost per transaction goes down significantly. But there may be deeper problems in the bank, and they lie within the IT architecture itself. These include spaghetti pathways, that is, multiple systems for transaction processing through various channels, silo standalone technology, and complicated multiple interfaces. A single change can require complex regression testing across multiple systems. The solution is a payment hub that standardizes the payment channels with specific functionality. integrates standalone technical solutions, automates workflows and routing, reduces complexities, integrates with other business areas. The SAP Payment Engine offers state-of-the-art end-to-end process for interbank and customer-to-bank payments. It streamlines all payments processes, standardizes interfaces, removes siloed payment applications, and supports the value chain with shared service centers, insourcing models, and rapid development of new products. The payment product offerings comprise configuration of bank and country-specific requirements without large programming effort, one-to-one and one-to-many credit transfers and direct debits, same-day clearing and settlement, single queued and collective postings of internal and external transactions, flexible customer correspondence, advice, payment exceptions, payment recalls, extensive monitoring and status management. The SAP Payment Engine can add tremendous business value to payment processing operations with extensibility, open multi-channel integration architecture, multiple connections to SAP and non-SAP applications, high performance, highly scalable solutions, high volume straight-through processing, compliance with CIPA or SWIFT ISO schemes. It is multi-bank and multi-channel enabled in order to support insourcing business models that allow banks and service providers to offer payment processing to various in-house entities. In addition, banks using the SAP Payment Engine can offer white-label services to other banks, bringing additional revenues and lowering unit cost for insourcing offerings. Multiple customers like ATB in Canada and Postbank AG are already using the SAP Payment Engine. Postbank needed to build an industrial-scale platform to cater to its own customers' payments requirements as well as to several German banks including HSH Nordbank and their parent bank Deutsche Bank AG. The SAP Payment Engine acts as a payment processing insourcer for marquee clients like Postbank and ATB. It also offers white-label services to other banks, bringing revenues and lowering unit costs for insourcing offerings. Infosys and SAP have joined hands to offer the SAP Payment Engine as a payment solution. This brings together strong domain expertise, excellent implementation capability, and a robust product. As a market leader in enterprise application software, SAP helps companies of all sizes and industries run better. In banking, SAP serves more than 3,700 customers. In 120 countries, there are more than 180 in core banking and more than 200 in mobile and internet banking. More than 2,600 bank customers use SAP Business Analytics, and more than 1,300 bank customers use SAP Business Suite. More than 85 million live bank accounts are currently managed by SAP Banking. In addition, more than 75 million are in implementation. SAP applications and services enable our customers to operate profitably, adapt continuously, and grow sustainably. Infosys, a leading provider of next-generation consulting, technology and outsourcing solutions, enables clients in more than 30 countries to realize their goals. Infosys class leading SAP practice that includes 250 cards and payments domain experts has implemented solutions for clients worldwide, including Fortune 1000 companies. So when you select the SAP Payment Engine solution, you get the joint expertise of these two domain leaders.